Top 5 Best Shift Knob for WRX. Electro weighted shift knob, 500 grams for Subaru 6-speed WRX, 2015 to 23, STI 2004 to 21 in just $99.95. Fits all WRX model years from 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and STI model years from 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Shift knob functions perfectly with factory-installed reverse lockout. Machined with precision, powder-coated, and laser-engraved shift pattern in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, USA. Ergonomically designed for ease of install, no modification required, comfort and enhanced shifting. Weighted stainless steel, approximately 500 grams. DWHEL Fing Fast Shift Knob 6-Speed Short Throw Shifter M12 by 1.25, M10 by 1.5, M10 by 1.25, M8 by 1.25 white, in just $17.99. 6-speed knob 2 1/8 diameter made from high-quality durable acrylic for manual short throw gear shift knob shank. Racing JDM shift knob itself thread size is M12 by 1.25 with 3 threading copper adapters, M8 by 1.25, M10 by 1.5, M10 by 1.25. Manual shifter gear knob stars round ball installation. Note: never bottom out the shift knob on the shifter when tightening. Bottoming out may break the knob. Bottoming out may damage the knob, which is not covered by warranty. White with black engraved inlay with effing fast, proudly displayed in place of 6th gear. Custom shift knob good for most Acura, Honda, Infiniti, Lexus, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Scion, FRS, TC, Subaru, BRZ, Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, etc., and good for any manual or automatic transmission 6-speed shifter knob. Will not fit automatic shifters with push button, fits gated style only. The color will never rub off or lose its shine. Meticulous 6-speed gear shift knob for Subaru Impreza WRX STI Outback Forester 2009 to 2018 in just $15.99. For Subaru Impreza WRX STI 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. For Subaru Outback 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. For Subaru Forester 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Please check the photos and part number in the link if it is same with your old part. Billetworks weighted heartbeat shift knob, 500 grams compatible with Subaru 6-speed STI 2004 plus, WRX 2015 plus in just $99.95. Weighted stainless steel for smooth shifts, approximately 500 grams with 6-speed heartbeat shift pattern. Fits all WRX model years from 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and STI model years from 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Shift knob functions perfectly with factory-installed reverse lockout. Machined with precision, powder-coated, and laser-engraved shift pattern in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, USA. Ergonomically designed for ease of install, no modification required, comfort and enhanced shifting. Hakriatu car styling 6-speed leather gear stick shift knob for Subaru Impreza WRX STI 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Black leather red cover plus R marked below, in just $21.89. For Subaru Impreza WRX STI 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Ergonomic. The shift knob fits the human hand, feels comfortable in the hand, and is more comfortable to drive. Simple installation, direct installation, easy installation. Remove, unscrew the old gear knob. Then plug the knob back into your car and give your gear knob a new look. Perfect replacement for your old damage. Stylish and beautiful. Unique fashion design adds a luxurious and fashionable look to your car. Package 1 shift knob.